Hey guys, Tepcocyclerepair. So I'm working on a TTR 90 and this kid keeps ripping the tubes and the stem. So these TTR 90s, CRF 50s, these smaller bikes, they don't have rim locks on them. So when they start riding these things harder and harder, the rim will start to slide inside the tire, or the tire will slide on the rim. And they only have these little kind of lines here to hold it. There's no rim lock. And it'll end up tearing the tube air nozzle off. Okay, tears it out, messes it up. So the best way to solve this is just make it like a big bike. Get yourself a 1.6 inch. This is a 1.6 inch rim, but they're always marked on the side if you're not sure. 1.6 by 12. So here's the air hole right here. Here is the hole that I drilled. All right, so drill it just so it fits the piece right here. Now pay attention to the ones you get. I got one, and these rims are kind of shallow. And you can see these threads go all the way to the base. So this was out of a new bike with like 2 hours on it. So I'm going to use that one instead. But the one that I got from Tusk has a long stem on it. And this part comes out too far and you can't clamp it on. So I'm going to send this one back. So I don't recommend getting the Tusk one. But try to get one where you got threads that go all the way to the actual lock. So when the tire's in, this is going to go down, lock it into place. It'll hold the tire, it'll stop it from spinning, and you're going to go ahead and prevent tubes, flats, downtime. Let's keep them on the road, keep them riding, let them have fun. So I'm going to put some rim tape on this, clean these up, and mount this all up. Anyway, guys, hopefully this helps you out. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for further notification. Until next time, lock them in place. Tepcocyclerepair.